Yo, what's up guys? We're over here at Pro Industries. We're building another cage here, or tying in some structural points on a cage. We're adding a couple bars in here. Already got the cage prepped. If you guys want to see some more of this stuff, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. We're constantly trying to drop content. So if you guys do like this, go support us. What's going on YouTube? Back here at Pro Industries. Today we're working on a 2023 CanAm Turbo R. We are adding in a couple of structural bars here on this cage. So we're putting a bar from there to here. Stay tuned. If you guys want to see more videos like this, go like, comment, subscribe, and let us know. We work on about everything and anything here. So if you guys want to see more content of this or that, make sure you guys go comment down below what you guys want to see. Without further ado, let's get into this. Shoo! Yo, what is going on YouTube? Back at it with another cage video here. Here's our update on the cage, guys. So far, so good. So obviously you guys can see where we added the bars. There's Travis in there, welding in that side. Also added the light. Gonna be adding the light bar up here. Kicking it off the front. Sick.
Burning that powder coat away.
What do you think, dude?
Turned out nice. Let's get the lights back on, show everybody what it looks like.
She's gonna be a full ripper now?
Full ripper.
Full ripper.
Racetrack ready. Hey, what's going on, guys? Check out the final results here. We added these secondary A-pillar bars tied in here. You can see the beautiful little welds here. We added a 50-inch single row light bar, 96,000 lumens. It is a 6D lens. Single row side shooter LEDs. These are actually amber, and they have a strobe option. So we added a couple pillar pods, a couple pillar tabs, light bar tabs, and then all the extra bars here. They do go all the way down to clamps on the frame. You get the door over here. A little difficult to get until it gets the billet handled. They do go down to a clamp, so he's able to unclamp from the frame and remove the entire cage for powder coat. So we did make it all removable, all as one unit with the cage. So same super tight gap here. Everything's tight, everything's right. Everything's good to go. So it's gonna go home tomorrow, and the customer's stoked. So. Alright guys, so with that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're new to our channel, we do a lot of custom builds like this. We do a lot of side-by-side cages. We do a lot of custom pre-runners. We do race trucks. We do trophy carts, quads, sand rails. We cage dodge Vipers, drift cars, all kinds of stuff. So go ahead and subscribe to our channel and keep close tabs on us. Check out our merch. We do have merch online, and we have a full range of CNC cutout products on our website. So go ahead and give us a check everything out, and give us a like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Peace out, guys.